Welcome back to Autopulse, your go-to hub for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a name that has defined the Indian hatchback segment for decades, the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. The Alto has always stood for affordability, practicality, and trust. And in 2025, Maruti has given it a fresh breath of life while keeping its core values intact. Right off the bat, you'll notice the new Alto 800 gets a modern design overhaul. It still stays compact, but there's a refined elegance in the body lines. The front grille is bolder with a honeycomb pattern, flanked by sleek halogen headlamps. The bumper has a sportier stance now, and there's a subtle chrome touch around the grille and fog lamp housing that adds a premium feel for a budget-friendly car. The rear hasn't been left out either. Tail lamps are sharper and better integrated, and the hatch design is now cleaner. Hop inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more upmarket than you'd expect. The dashboard design is clean and functional. You now get a dual-tone black and beige interior, which helps make the cabin look more spacious. The seats have improved cushioning, and there's a new digital instrument cluster paired with a 7-inch SmartPlay infotainment system on the higher trims, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Yes, in an Alto. In terms of space, Maruti has tweaked the dimensions slightly. It's now marginally longer and taller, which means better headroom and legroom, especially for rear passengers. Boot space sits at around 177 liters, enough for your grocery runs or a weekend getaway bag. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 is powered by an updated 0.8-liter BS6 Phase 2 compliant petrol engine. It produces around 48 PS of power and 69 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, and Maruti has tuned the engine for better drivability in the city. Don't expect it to break speed records, but the focus here is fuel efficiency, and that's where the Alto shines. It delivers a mileage of around 24.7 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient petrol cars in India. There's also a CNG variant that offers even better economy at around 33 km/kg, perfect for budget-conscious commuters. When it comes to safety, Maruti has made some improvements. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a seatbelt reminder are now standard across all variants. The chassis has been reinforced too, giving it better crash safety. While it may not match up to premium hatchbacks in terms of safety ratings, it's a step forward for an entry-level car. Ride quality remains smooth over city roads, and the light steering makes it ideal for tight urban spaces. Suspension has been slightly retuned for better comfort, and it absorbs potholes well considering its size. Highway manners are predictable, though this car still feels best in city traffic and short runs. Maruti offers the new Alto 800 in 4 variants: STD, LXI, VXI, and VXE+. Prices start at around 3.69 lakh rupees for the base variant and go up to 5.33 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the top-end VXE+ trim. The CNG variants cost about 95,000 rupees more, making them a smart choice if your daily running is high. Overall, the 2025 Alto 800 isn't trying to be something it's not. It's still the affordable, dependable, and practical city car we've known for years, but now with added comfort, tech, and efficiency that make it more appealing than ever. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone looking for a reliable second car, the new Alto 800 deserves a serious look. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Autopulse, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe, and goodbye.